Welcome back to Coffee and English. I'm Sam.
And I'm James. Sam, I am so hungry today. I really want a great meal.
A delicious cheeseburger, perhaps?
Yes, exactly. I want to go to a restaurant, but what do I say?
That is the perfect plan. Today, we will learn all the essential English you need for visiting a restaurant. It is very useful.
Fantastic. So I am standing at the restaurant entrance. The host is there. What is the very first thing I need to say?
First, you greet the host with a simple hello. Then you ask for a table. To be polite and clear, you say, "A table for two, please." You can change the number, a table for three, a table for four.
Okay, so I say, "A table for two, please." Simple and polite. What does the host say next?
The host will usually smile and say, "Right this way," or "Follow me, please." They will then lead you to your table.
Follow me, please. Got it. I follow them through the restaurant, and it looks like a wonderful place.
It does. There are many people enjoying their meals. The atmosphere is happy.
We arrive at a beautiful, clean table. It's all set and ready for us.
The host will then hand you the menu. This is the list of all the food and drinks the restaurant offers.
The menu has many new words. I see starter, dessert, and main course. What is a main course?
The main course is the biggest part of your meal. It's the main dish like the burger, the pasta, or the fish.
Okay, the waiter is coming to our table now. He looks ready to help. What will he ask me?
He will probably ask, "Are you ready to order?" or "Can I take your order?"
If I am ready, how do I say what I want? Is it okay to say, "I want the fish and chips"?
You can say that, but there is a more polite and common phrase. We say, "I would like." It sounds much better.
I would like. So I can look at the menu and say, "I would like the fish and chips, please."
Perfect. That is exactly right. The word please at the end also makes it very polite.
What if I want to sound a little more casual, like a native speaker?
A great question. For a shorter, more natural sounding phrase, you can say, "I'll have." For example, "I'll have the fish and chips, please."
I'll have. That's just short for I will have. That's easy to remember. Now, what about a drink?
You use the exact same phrase. "I would like a soda, please," or "I'll have a soda, please."
Wonderful. So our order is placed. The waiter brings the food, and it looks amazing. What does he say when he gives us our plates?
He will place the food on the table and say, "Enjoy your meal." It is a kind wish for you to have a good dining experience.
Enjoy your meal. And to be polite, I should always reply with a simple thank you.
Exactly. A thank you is always appreciated.
So we are eating, and the food is great. After a few minutes, the waiter comes back to the table.
Why? He is checking to make sure everything is perfect. He will ask, "Is everything okay?" or "How is everything?"
And if the food is very, very good, what can I say?
You can say, "Yes, it's delicious." Delicious is a fantastic word that means it tastes wonderful.
I love that word. Delicious. It feels good to say.
But James, what if you need something? For example, your glass of water is empty. How do you get the waiter's attention?
That's a good question. I don't want to shout, "Hey!" That is rude.
Correct. To be polite, you should try to make eye contact and maybe give a small, polite wave with your hand.
Okay, a small wave. And what do I say when he comes over?
You start with, "Excuse me." This is the polite way to get someone's attention in English.
Excuse me. And then I ask for what I need. How do I ask for more water?
You use another very useful phrase, "Can I have?" So you would say, "Can I have some more water, please?"
Can I have some more water, please? That sounds very polite and clear. This is great. All these phrases are simple.
Okay, the meal is finished. It was delicious. Now it is time for the final step, paying for the food.
Right, I need to ask for the bill. Or, in America, I think they use a different word, right?
That's true. In the UK, we say the bill. In the USA, they say the check. But both are understood in most places.
So how do I ask for it? Do I use the same phrase as before?
Yes, you do. You get the waiter's attention and say, "Can I have the bill, please?" Or, "Can I have the check, please?"
Can I have the bill, please? The waiter brings the little paper in a folder. I can pay with cash or with a card.
That's right. Modern restaurants have portable machines so you can pay right at your table. It's very easy.
Perfect. I pay, we say thank you, and then it is time to leave.
And as you leave, it's nice to say goodbye or thank you to the staff one last time.
That was a complete restaurant experience. It feels much easier now.
Let's do a quick review. The 4 most important phrases to remember are: a table for 2, please, for when you arrive; I would like, for when you order; excuse me, for getting attention; and can I have the bill, please, for when you want to pay.
Those 4 phrases will help you in any restaurant. Now we have a question for all of you watching.
Yes. What is your favorite food to order at a restaurant? Write your answer in the comments below. We love reading them.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for learning restaurant English with us today. Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons.
We hope this helps you feel confident on your next restaurant visit. See you next time on Coffee and English. Bye.